In the last video, I went over how to work with the page editing icons. In this tutorial, I'll discuss how to format the content that we've entered into this page. You'll notice that I've chosen the keyword Learn WordPress Quickly Video Tutorials as my keyword. This appears inside the title for the page. It also appears in the second sentence of the content. I do not repeat this anywhere else in the article. You may note that in the final two sentences, I did use parts of the keyword. Learn WordPress and video tutorials are used. These are not the keyword, but they do lend additional weight to the keyword choice. This allows Google to understand, using their semantic search, what the article is about. I'm concerned with formatting in this particular article, and as such, have no reason to click on other parts of the WordPress environment, so I'm going to enable distraction-free writing. This is reached in the upper right-hand corner of the editor box. You'll see what looks like a small square with 4 arrows in the shape of an X. When you click on this, it removes the right and left columns and provides you with distraction-free editing. What I would like to do is make this sea of text more readable. I'd like to add some white space into the content. First, I'd like to break up the content into 3 or 4 line paragraphs. I'll find good places to break the content, locate my cursor in front of the content, and hit enter. This will add a line break. When this is complete, I'll examine the content in each paragraph and come up with a descriptive heading that will identify what the paragraph is about. What we would like to do here is help people be able to scan our article. People may read your article in depth, but in general, readers on the internet will scan content first. Headings make it easier for them. Anytime you make it easier for your reader, you're helping them to understand your information. Now that I've created my headings, I have to decide what heading level to make them. In the second line of my icons, you'll see the word paragraph and a drop-down box. Or I can go over to Formats, under Headings, and click on the drop-down. These will present me with the heading levels that I can choose. By default, WordPress creates an H1 heading for the title of a page or post. I'll then create H2 and possibly H3 for the subheadings. You can see that the formatting for each of these headings makes them stand out and enables some differentiation. Using these headings will also notify Google of the important points in your article. In the final section, I provided a quick instruction on how to get your own free website so that you can follow along and experiment with the features in WordPress. There's a nice place to provide a link that jumps over to the website creation tool. I would like to quickly show you how to add a link. This could be to an external website or to another page inside your own website. To create a link, highlight the text you would like to link. In the top line of the editor, there is a chain link icon. Click on this icon and a window will open that provides you a place to enter the URL of your destination. If you are leaving your website and going to another website, you will want to check the box that opens in a new tab. The linked text is the text that you highlighted in your content. If possible, use your keyword for the link or a similar term. When you're finished, click Add Link. You'll note that this link contains some formatting, which you can change if you'd like. In this case, I'm going to create a blue link, and I'm going to make sure that it's underlined so that people know that it's a link. In the next tutorial, I will go over the post editor. There are a few differences from the page editor, but in most cases everything is similar. I'll discuss the differences so that you can understand when to use posts and when to use pages on your website.